In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in this Hyundai Elantra GT key fob. This key fob was used between 2018 and 2020, and inside we will find a CR2032 battery. These batteries are very inexpensive and you can find them online. I'll leave a link in the description just to get one of those on Amazon so you can follow along and change your battery. Let's start by flipping over to the back and pushing down this little lever to release the internal key. From here, we will locate the little groove inside of this area where the key was housed. With a tool like a flathead screwdriver, we will insert and give a little twist, and as you can see, it'll start to separate the two halves of the key fob. You can just work your way down that groove that we've opened up, twisting until the whole thing pops apart. Now we can see our battery. You can just push it right out with your finger. You can use your flathead screwdriver just to get it loose. And go ahead, get a brand new 2032 battery. Make sure that the positive side with the text is facing up, and simply slide it in until it does not go in any further and it's nicely in place. Now, if this rubber piece with the circuit board comes out, you can just make sure it is back in place so everything is working. Now, we'll just reattach the two halves of the key fob, making sure it clicks back into place nicely. Throw your key back in there, and you're good to go. You can see the light comes on, meaning everything's good to go and your battery has juice. So that's as simple as it is to change your internal battery. Thank you for watching.